Wagwan, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth, one place I'm calling Morningside. Yeah man, Morningside is very close to the Red Bank area, guys. Very close to the Red Bank area. Yeah man, so once you come Morningside, my people, you're gonna see that because the sign kinda not really paint anymore. Yeah man, so this is the sign. Oh yes my people. Yeah man, you can see the sign. Welcome Morningside. Yeah man, so if you make the right turn, we'll take you all to Morningside Primary School. So today guys, we are giving a tour from the Morningside area going to Junction town. You know Junction town? Junction town full of the brown in them. So I taking you in the Browning town also. Very clean town guys. So keep on watching. Your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. One love and one heart. Big up on yourself, man. Yeah, you and me talk to, you know. Big up yourself, man. Welcome to the channel guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth, one place I'm calling you Morningside. Very close to Red Bank area, in the Red Bank area guys. Yeah man, very close to Red Bank Primary School. So guys, this channel is all about Jamaica, places, when to go, where to go. It's a bit overcast today guys, but hopefully you can get a nice view of the area. So in the Morningside, it's very close to Cheapside also guys. Yeah man, so if you keep on watching the video, you know exactly, you will see some form of landmark. If you've been here before, you will see some form of landmark guys. And also if you're new to the channel, you can indicate and also give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost guys. And like up the video man, like up the video free of cost. Want to get some likes today. If you know something about Jamaica, just give the video some big likes man. So we know St. Elizabeth will have a lot of different places you can go. Attraction guys. You have like in the Treasure Beach area, you have 77 West, Jack Sprat, Lashings, Gregor's in Junction, something like that. But if you come to Junction town, you have a few places you can go and enjoy yourself. Very nice place where you can go have a dinner with your family, friends, loved one, wife, husband. So just know the area with Fire Reid. And also, what if you plan to buy a property in St. Elizabeth area, in Red Bank, Morningside, Cheapside, at least you know the community next to where you will be living. So you have an idea how the area set up. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again. Remember if you interact on the channel man, leave your comment in the comment section, you know. Where you want me to go, where you would like me to go to visit. I will take the time out and try my best to visit that area for you guys as much as possible. Always remember, each one help one. One love, one heart. Upward, onward. Yeah man, that's how we do it. So we do it on the countryside, you know. So when you're driving at the countryside, and most of the times you'll find taxi guys, them are blowing off of the road if you not drive too slow. So you just drive at your own pace and make them go around. You really watch them. Just keep safe guys. Yeah man, we have some bumpy ride today. Junction town. So it's about 10 minutes drive to Junction town. And you know Junction town now, that town they built up, you know guys. The town there. You have KFC in that town they come since lately. Hopefully soon them can have Domino, Pizza Hut. Because that town is a very, very clean and nice town, guys. Town we cannot forget so easy. So the closest town to Morningside, Cheapside, Red Bank, Rose Hall, Berlin could be Junction town, guys. Yeah man, the road condition kind of look a bit off still. Have some pothole, just take your time and go through. So you have your coconut, same way you can stop and get your coconut on the roadside. Wash off on your heart. A coconut a day keep high blood pressure away. Just get a coconut man and a little tip of lime and just tip in your coconut. When you're up on the roadside, if you have hypertension, just have a coconut water. See them colorful house here. Yeah man, the place looking nice and beautiful. So guys, we are on the main road now, guys. So I'm gonna make the right turn. So we are now the Witter and Son Funeral Home. If I want to reach Witter and Son Funeral Home, you have an idea where you're at. Because on the main going to Junction, coming from Morningside also, you would pass Witter and Son Funeral Home, guys. So it's a bit overcast today. So guys, we are now in the Cheapside area. On your right you have the Cheapside Primary School. So guys, you know you have a many different routes you can take to reach certain areas. So some of the times you're going to realize you may do that area already, but just want if you have an understand how to get around Jamaica. Just have an understanding how to get around Jamaica. Don't watch about seeing this area how many times, but you would see this from a different angle, guys, where you're coming from. So yeah man, In Touch Chapel, Church of God, Cheapside on your left. And also, this is where you can get your seafood, guys. Yeah man, you can get your seafood. Our Atlantis Seafood Restaurant. Yeah man, so you can get your seafood right at the place, yeah. Very, very nice place. Any seafood you want, you can get at that area, you know. So remember, we are going to Junction, guys, to the Browning town. Many people don't. I do a video with Browning town and I get a lot of bash for it. But if you come to Junction, in reality, you would see where that you see most brown people. It's not a matter of color, prejudice. It's just reality, guys. Reality. Just know about your country, man. Know about your country. When you go in our area, you know what you're gonna see there. On your left, you have the BJ Pool Bar. So that's a sports bar, guys. Just about 5 minutes away out of Junction town. And also you have on your right, you have the Sugar Plum Bar. Yeah man, that name the sound sweet, Sugar Plum Bar. Just a couple minutes away out from Junction town. So we're a couple seconds away from Junction town, guys. Very close to the Junction town area. Very, very close. So guys, remember say you don't press the like button yet, you know. Remember say you don't press the like button yet, so like up the video, man. Remember that. Just like up the video, like up the video, like up the video, man. Free of cost. Remember, just like up the video, man. Like up the video. Yeah, man. Very close to the Junction police station coming up on your right. So on your right, this is the blue and white building. That is the Junction police station. Welcome to Junction, guys. Yeah, if you look out for them bike guys, you know, because them bike guys are not easy, you know, my people. They ride with care, so you know, if you look out for the bike people, them